Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily download any picture from the Instagram. So at the first we have to get of course the Instagram, log into account, and of course we need also the second application. So we have to move for the Play Store. We have to tap on the search bar and we have to type here repost for Instagram. You can also select it from this quick list, and we have to get this application repost for Instagram. Click install, and right now we can check if it is here. Okay, here we got this application. So right now just enter. Okay, click here, and here we got the instruction how it looks and how it will be going works, right? So let's enter for the Instagram and the post that we want to download. For example, we can take this picture from our account and just click right here on these three dots in the right upper corner, then click share to, and right now after it loads we have to scroll down a little bit and tap on the repost application. And right now when we enter for the app, right here we got the picture, so let's enter it. And right now right here when we click we can just delete the signature, and when you tap right here you will be able to save the picture straight to your gallery. So right now when we enter for our gallery, you will see that we got here this picture. Oh sorry, there's some kind of cut, but here we got the picture that we downloaded, and I think it's really easy, and I hope that helped you. And if I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya.